Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys if it really works. If we use, for instance, 500 tomatoes in cooking, doesn't mean I'm allowed to put in 5 tomatoes in one pot. Let's see if that works, okay? So I'm just going to add 5 tomatoes in this and cook. And then on this one as well. And let that cook. And let's see if that means I would have used 10 tomatoes. And I'm also going to pick up one of my pets. Let me pick up the chicken zombie for a drake. What is it? A drake. So it cooks up quicker. And I'll be right back to show you guys if it actually works. And let's see if it worked. Let's get smoothie here. And get smoothie here again. If we go to garden guide, let's see. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. Okay, so if you want to complete your garden guide quicker, just shove everything in that pot and call it a day. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you want to complete these achievements, use 100 blueberries in cooking, just easily pour everything in that pot. You don't even have to make a recipe for this, I guess. So that's what I'm going to be doing from now on. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!